Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to recover Bangood account password. So if you also want to recover Bangood account password, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open your Bangood application. You can see over here Bangood is opened. Now what you have to do is tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you'll be able to see the option for sign in or register. All you have to do is tap on it. If you already know your password, you can simply enter your email address and your password and simply tap on the option sign in and you'll be logged in. If you do not have an account, you have to switch to register and register a new account over here. Now, if you have forgotten your password, here you can see option for forgot password. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see your email address over here. Here you can see option for send email. All you have to do is tap on it. Now password reset instructions will be sent to your email address. Go to your Gmail application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Bangood.com has sent me an email. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down. Here you'll be able to see the button for reset password. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface and here you can reset your password. Tap on the password box. Create a strong password. Re-enter the password. Now tap on the confirm option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here the password has been changed successfully. Now tap on the password box. Enter the password that you had created earlier. Now tap on the sign in option. Now you can see over here you're signed into your account. So that is how you recover Bangood account password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.